Do you know that you can make money online just by copying and pasting articles? In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to copy and paste articles to make passive income online from home today. So this is a simple thing that you can do wherever you are in the world. It doesn't require any skill, it doesn't require any hard work. You can do it on your PC. So make sure you pay close attention in this video and then watch till the end so that you get every step that I want to show you in this particular video. If you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. So the first step is to come to this website, articlesfactory.com. Article Factory is a website that you can come to copy articles for free. So you can also submit your own articles. As you come here, you can submit an article here. You can also copy articles here to publish on your website. As you can see, they have several categories here that you can select. So if you want articles from the health and fitness category, you are going to click here. You can get articles from the business category, you can get articles from the finance category, travels category, technology category, home repair category, computers, marketing, and then many others. So as you can see, this is a website that you can get articles for free. So here I'm going to be using the health category. So what you are going to do is that we are going to come to this search bar and you are going to search for any article that you want. So I am going to search for how to lose weight fast. So let me search for that. Once you type, you are going to search for an article. So once we search, you can see a whole lot of articles that has been posted onto this website. 3 tricks to really lose weight. You can see how to lose weight fast. You can see a whole lot of different articles here that we can use to republish, and then I'm going to show you how to monetize these articles. So keep watching, don't skip, because I'm going to show you an important step that you need to take so that this article can be original. This article can be something that people will read and then take action for you to earn the money. So as you can see, a lot of articles, you are going to select one. So here in this case, I'm going to go with the second article, how to lose weight fast. So you are going to open that. Once you open the article, you can see this is the article, this is the intro of the article. When you scroll here, you can see the body of the article here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to copy this exact article and then monetize it so that we can make money online from home. So what you are going to do is that we are going to first of all copy the title of the article. So let's copy that. Okay, once you copy the title of the article, you are going to come to Google document and you are going to paste your article here, paste the body here too. So what you are going to do is that once you come to the body of the article, you are going to copy the intro. So once you highlight, copy the intro, you are going to come to this website, articlerewritertool.com. So as you can see, articlerewritertool.com, and you are going to paste the content here. So let me paste it here. That is the intro, and I'm going to copy the rest of the article. So as you can see, I'm going to start here and I'm going to copy the rest of this article. So you are going to highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going back to article writer tool, and now let me paste it again. So as you can see, we are going to paste it. Once you paste it, you are now going to rewrite this particular article, and what you are going to do is that you are going to come to this section. You are going to enter the capture text above here. So as you can see, WKT. So let me enter that. So and then KT. Once you enter the capture text, what you are going to do is you are going to click on rewrite text. So once you click on rewrite text, let's scroll. You can see the results is here, and as I scroll, you can see the whole of this article is unique from the first one. So for example, it is true that you are hoping to get in shape quick. So let me just stop there, and then when you come here, you can see the first, are you looking to lose weight fast because you have. As you can see, the article has been rewritten, and what you are now going to do is that you are going to copy the rewritten text. So you are going to copy the results. What you are going to highlight it, highlight this entire article, and then you are going to copy the article, and you are going back to your Google document. Once you come to Google document, you are going to paste it here. Once you paste it here, as you can see, so once you paste your article on your document, you are now going to find a way to monetize this article, and I'm going to show you. So this is the article. You are going to come to this website, articlebees.com. This is where you are going to publish your article and then monetize it so that you can make money online from home. So what you are going to do is that, as you can see, this is a free website that you can submit articles for free. So when you come to this area, when you come here, you can see submit your top articles for maximum exposure and drive traffic to your website. So this is exactly what we want. We are going to submit our article here to get traffic to a link that I'm going to show you in the next minute. So what you are going to do is you are going to click on submit. You don't need to register, you can just go and submit. Once you click on submit, you are going to now enter your name. So let me enter Akalore. So Akalore. Once I enter Akalore, I'm going to enter my email here. So once I enter my email here, we are now going to enter the title of your article. So let me go to my document, and here's the title of my article. Once you copy the title of your article, you are going back and you are going to paste the title here. Once you paste the title here, you are now going to select your article category. So let me select that. So as you can see, this you are going to go through this and then select your article category. So let me scroll to the health category. So what you are going to do, I'm going to select health and fitness, so and then specifically weight loss. So you are going to select that. Once you select the category, you are going to come to the body of the article. So let me come here. So we are going to copy that. Once you copy the body of your article, you're now going to paste it back to this website, ArticleBees. And you are not done yet. You are now going to monetize this article so that you can make money with it. So what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down here. Once you scroll down here, you see this box, resources box, and this is where you are going to monetize your article. So when you come here, you can see that they say add information maximum 2 URLs, and that is where we are going to use to make the money. What you are not going to do is that you are not going to find an affiliate network where you can join to promote products and make commission when people purchase those products. So as you can see, you are going to be putting your URLs to those products in this particular box, and I'm going to show you right away. So I am doing it with clickbank.com. Clickbank is an affiliate network that you can join for free, and then you can be promoting products on Clickbank and you'll be earning commission anytime people purchase the product that you are promoting. So as you can also join JVZoo, you can join Warrior Plus, you can join Digistore24. So I'm using Digistore24 and then Clickbank. So when you come to Clickbank, you can see that there are categories of products here that you can select. As you can see, many products here. As I scroll, you can see different categories here. When you come to Digistore24, it's much the same. As you can see, different categories of products here that you can promote. As you can see, different products here. So let me just get into Clickbank to show you what to do. So once you come to Clickbank or any affiliate marketing network that you end up joining, you are going to go to the marketplace. So you are going to come to the marketplace. Once you go to the marketplace, you are going to find categories like this, and you are going to select a product based on the category of your article. So for instance, when you come to my article, you can see that the article is on health and fitness category, specifically weight loss. So when you come back to the marketplace of the affiliate network that you join, you are going to go to the same category. You can see health and fitness. Once you go to health and fitness, you can see these are products that you can use to monetize your article to make money online from home. So for example, if I monetize the article with this particular product, anytime I get a purchase, I'm going to earn $147. And then when people buy that product, that is not all. They have a recurring or an upsell product that they are going to sell to the customer. So when they make a purchase, I will earn an additional $34. So that is it. So as you scroll, there are a lot of products that you can promote in this particular category. You can see if I promote this particular product with my article, anytime I get a purchase, I'm going to earn 187. And you can see there is also a rig build here, which is you are going to earn an additional $41 when the people who buy this product end up by buying another product. You can see the same thing, another one here. If I monetize my article with this particular product, I'm going to be earning $106 per every sale that I get. You can see a whole lot of different products here, and then you can see the commission rate varies. Some are low, some are high. So now that you have seen this, what you are going to do is that you are going to select one of the products and promote. So I am going to promote this particular product with my article. So you are going to monetize it with the product. So when you click on it, so as you can see, the product landing page is a video that people are going to watch before they make a decision to buy the product. As you can see, they have option to buy $89 per bottle, and then $49 per bottle. They have $59 per bottle. Any of these options that they end up selecting, you are going to earn a commission for that. So as you can see, so now that you've seen the landing page of the product, what you are going to do is that you are going to click on promote so that you can monetize your article with this particular product. So once you click on promote, you see a page like this, and what you are going to do is you are going to click on generate hop link. Once you click on generate hop link, this is a unique link to you. This link is your unique affiliate link. Anytime people purchase the product through this link, you earn a commission, and you are going to copy the link. Once you copy the link, you can see that this link look more spammy, so you are going to use a URL shortener to make it nice for people to click through. So what you are going to do, you are going to come to Kartli.com and you are going to paste your URL here. Once you paste your link here, you are going to click on shorten. Once you click on shorten, you can see that the link is now short and it looks nice. So what you are going to do is you are going to click on copy. Now you are going to send this link to your article. So what you are going to do, you come to this your article, then you are going to come to this resources box, and what you are going to do is that you are going to put a call to action here for people to click through the link to the affiliate product, so that when they make a purchase, you earn a commission. And I'm going to write a text here and come back to you. And as you can see, my call to action: if you want more information to really lose weight fast, kindly click this link to watch free video presentation. And what you are going to do is that you are now going to leave your affiliate link here. So you are going to paste your affiliate link here, and that is so when people read this article, what they are going to do is that they are going to check the resources box. Once they check the resources box, they are going to click your link, and once they click the link and make a purchase, you are going to earn a commission. That is how it is. So this is simple. You can be doing this wherever you are. So you have to be doing it. Don't copy one article and expect to make a lot of money. You need to be doing this daily so that you can get a lot of people to read your articles and then make pages for you to earn a commission with this particular strategy. So if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. And now let's publish our article onto this website. So now before you click on continue for your article to go live, you are going to answer this question: what is 9 plus 5? And here you are going to just put in 14, and here you are going to accept and agree to article B's terms of service. So you are going to check this box. Once you check the box, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, this is what you are going to see. As you can see, review your article submission for completeness. This is the article. So as you can see, I am okay with it, and what you are going to do is that you are going to click on submit for review. So you click on that, and now your article has been submitted. So that is basically how it is, and you can see that the article has been submitted, and that is how this website works. And you can keep on submitting many articles onto this particular website. So that is it for today's video. Till we meet in another video, thank you for watching.